friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm KAVIARKEZ. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be installing this beautiful 613 blonde wig. It's been a minute since I've done a full 613 blonde wig on my channel. I have been getting into the blonde wigs and the 613 mixed highlight wigs. If this is something that you guys are interested in watching, stick around. Today's hair sponsor is Alididi Hair. I believe that's how you say it. I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box if you guys wanna find them. Today I have installed a 26-inch 13x4 body wave 613 wig. The density is 180%. Gonna look good. So what I did was style the wig mostly off camera. You guys know it did not look like this. So I toned it and then I curled it and then I left it to sit overnight, and this is where we are today. I think I'm gonna remove that lace so it causes me any problems. For this, I am applying the lace while the wig is still wet. I'm gonna remove this one because I really can't see what is going on over here. I'm gonna finish this side. You guys get the gist of it. It's being melted very cautiously. I don't want to stain it with my foundation, so I'm literally taking my time.
You needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know.
Wow, these are very big curls. I think I'm gonna do some baby hairs.
Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with.
In with some of this powder.
I said that I needed you like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you
why I decided to curl this wig off camera like that and let it sit overnight is because I straightened the wig after I washed it and it was really bone straight and it did not want to curl. It didn't want to hold the curl just on its own, so I decided to set it that way. So right now it's like the next day and obviously it has no problems like holding the curl now.
In the dark, I'm calling up 'cause
so for the part, it looks pretty good, but we can do better. I'll go in with this powder, but I need to find like a really thin brush. Okay, this is good.
Too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the light. Don't wanna pick a fight with it. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run out on me, leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
As you guys would have seen in the unboxing portion, this wig did come your typical 613 wig, meaning very, very yellow. You can tone your hair out to, you know, be less yellow, but still have that classic 613 look, which is like more of like platinum blonde color. I was pleasantly surprised how well it took to just some purple shampoo. And as you can see, the curls are dropping. Now, I did use hairspray when I styled her. Kind of surprised that they've dropped this much. This is what they look like now. I would say get the body wave because it clearly wants to be straight and you can still have some curls. If you spray a lot more hairspray, you can have the curls to last a lot longer, but I don't like spraying a lot of hair products in my hair because I still want to be able to run my hands through it like this. That's why my curls are dropping, but yeah, it is what it is, right? It's like a 613 hair. It's been lifted to get to this level. So it's been through a lot already to get to this level. With that being said, it does feel relatively soft. It's not like the softest, it's not the most silky. I would say it's average for me, but it's definitely cute if you wanna have this hair for your birthday or you're going out somewhere special and you just want really blonde hair at an affordable price. I would recommend you guys checking them out. Those are all my final thoughts for this install. Let me know what you guys think of this color. Let me know in the comment section. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye.